If I do myself a thinking and I gave up all my drinking and I threw my cigarettes in the trash, thought I'd live a little longer, probably get a little stronger, even save myself a little cash. Well, my friends have started snoring, yeah, but I guess I'm getting bored. My girlfriends keep walking out on me. There's this voice keeps on nagging, saying, now get off the wagon, get back how you used to be. Get off the wagon, boy, you ain't getting old. Get back off the wagon and now stop and watch your toes. So if the truth be told, I was a lively little soul, even socializing without the aid of booze. But when it came to meeting women, yeah, my head started spinning, and I wound up just staring at my shoes. So let the angels kiss my ass, I'm gonna lift up my glass, gonna welcome my girl self back. If you give me enough rope, I'm gonna wind up smoking dope, dropping acid, snorting coke, and smoking crack. Yeah, get off the wagon, heavy young boy, you ain't getting old. Get back off the wagon and now stop and watch your toes. Well, as I lift up my flask, I can hear you all ask, don't you worry about the damage boozing does. Well, when my chest starts a straining and my liver starts complaining, I'll find myself some gas that I can buzz. Well, I'll turn over a page when I reach my old age, that's provided I actually get there. Or if I get back on the wagon when my chest starts a sagging, well, I'll lose all my teeth and my hair. Yeah, get off the wagon, boy, you ain't getting old. Get back off the wagon and now stop and watch your toes. Hey, Lord, said, get off the wagon. Hey, young boy, you ain't getting old. Get back off the wagon and now stop and watch your toes.